directions to Plymouth Street except South Kensington. And always remember to touch on your monkey at the start of your journey.
Thank you.